Hi, this is Steve with Pinky's Handyman, and I'm here with one of our lead techs, Spencer, and we're working on a deck right now. And now, you and Carlos, I see you guys are having a blast out here, and you're doing an amazing job putting an extension off of a previously built deck to allow more access to the pool. Tell me a little bit about this project and what do you like best about it?
Yeah, Steve, honestly, me and Carlos have had a blast this entire project. We've wrapped this deck around the pool so that it gives the grandkids an opportunity to jump straight from the deck into the pool. And I would say my favorite part about this job is honestly just accomplishing it so that they can have some more family time. I just love a family-centered environment, and I think this is going to be a great time. And honestly, I just love working hard, love working with Carlos, so we're having a blast out here.
Yeah, it's going to be an amazing place for the family to get together, get some sun, play in the pool. So I agree with you. It's just amazing. You guys are doing a great job. Now, if you're looking for some deck work at your house, reach out to Pinky's Handyman because we pinky promise you'll love our work.